Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to administer potassium intravenously. First, always remember that Roman 4 potassium must never be given as a direct bolus injection. It can be fatal. It is crucial to dilute potassium in a compatible intravenous fluid, such as normal saline, before administration. Before starting, always verify the patient's renal function to ensure safe excretion and prevent accumulation. Proper dilution is key for safe Roman 4 potassium administration. Common concentrations include 20 mEq in 100 ml or 40 mEq in 1000 ml of compatible fluid. Always ensure the solution is thoroughly mixed to prevent uneven distribution of the medication. Using an infusion pump is essential for precise and controlled delivery, helping to maintain a steady rate and prevent rapid fluctuations. When administering Roman 4 potassium, adhere strictly to infusion rates. For peripheral lines, the maximum recommended rate is typically 10 mEq per hour. If higher rates, up to 20 mEq per hour, are necessary, central venous access and continuous cardiac monitoring are absolutely required. Closely monitor the patient's serum potassium levels and cardiac rhythm throughout the infusion to detect any adverse effects promptly. Patient safety is paramount during Roman 4 potassium administration. Frequently assess the Roman 4 site for any signs of infiltration, redness, or pain, and adjust the infusion if needed. Rapid infusion can lead to serious complications like cardiac arrhythmias and dangerous hyperkalemia, so always maintain the prescribed rate. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Your health and convenience are important.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.